What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking Vlog. Today we're making shrimp scampi and it requires a little bit of wine. Okay. Speeding up voiceover is what you have to do when you lose your B-roll filler footage. It's a hard life now. I have like 40 subscribers. Anyway, welcome to episode 20, Shrimp Scampi. It's super easy to make and only requires a few ingredients. Here we have fresh pasta, or you can use toasty bread, butter, garlic, white wine, fresh lemons, shrimp, and some stupid parsley. Okay, next season some boiling water with a little salt and olive oil. Cook your pasta al dente. In a hot pan, add some oil and roast some garlic. Then add your shrimpies and Cool Guy Chef moves. Some salt, pepper, and red chili flake. More Cool Guy Chef moves. Then just a little bit of white wine. Little bit more. Little more. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit more. Beep boop. Now you need to add the zest and juice from a fresh lemon. Here I show you how to turn lemonade into lemons. See? It's so easy. Okay, use a lemon zester and add fresh zest to the shrimp. Then squeeze half the lemon juice into the pan. Don't worry about the seeds. Later when you're eating this, they'll just be painful reminders of the mistakes you've made in the past. Cool Guy Chef moves. Top it off with some butter, non-intelligent parsley, a little mixy and some tasty, and your shrimp is done. The noodles by now should be perfectly cooked. Add them into your shrimp. I recommend not using a spoon because, look, how silly. Okay, done. See? So pretty. I even put it on a napkin. Let's try this. Pasta is cooked perfectly, and the sauce is velvety and lemony. The shrimp's good too. Very fresh. I guess I'll eat the tail. There's a stinger in there, but whatever. YOLO. Ow. 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 That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look at follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does a Cooking on social media. Shout out to Pitmaster X. He makes some really cool barbecue stuff. You should check him out. Guys, you may remember Jackie from my Carnita video a couple weeks ago. It's my #1 viewed video, and she wants to be in more of them, so I told her she's got to cook something. So, what are you gonna make, Jackie?
Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make this artichoke. So what you're gonna do is you're going to put it in the microwave, and then you're done.
Wait, that's it?
Oh! And the butter, don't forget the butter.
Make sure you like it. Wait, why are you so red?
I had coffee outside with Lacey.
Did you have it at Red Lobster?
We got all